This is Michael from 256 Mike. I have a 1998 Jeep Cherokee from a customer. What's going on is the gauge, the oil gauge needle keeps dropping down. Or it starts moving up and down as she drives. And sometimes it just goes flat. So here's the problem. First thing you want to check. You see it right here? I'm going to stick my hand in there. Look, you see this right here? That's the oil pressure sensor. You see it? When you put it in on, do not put your pliers around the plastic. Always put it around the metal. You see it? The metal? And you just take it out. And you see the customer was using a cheap filter. And I told her, I say, you can be using a cheap filter, especially when you have an old truck, you know, like this. I did all the watering system on this truck, new gasket on top, flush, everything. So yeah, that's all you have to do. That's the first thing you have to do, is change that switch right there. And when you change the switch, always remember to change the oil. The oil on this truck, because this truck had a bad transmission, so it was down for over a year. Oil change was done a week before the transmission went out, so she hasn't changed the oil, and it's been expired since June of 2017, and now her sensor went out. So it's very easy. Always remember, disconnect your battery when you're changing any type of sensors. All right, this is Michael. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and here's the Jeep.